It's time for another Solana update video. My name is mikemadz. Yes, I'm sick. Let's start this video. Before we start the video, as always, please do me a huge favor. Please like, comment below, check out my links in the description, and of course, subscribe. First things first, Solana 1.16 is here, and it is of course super fast. I'm referencing Chris here over on Twitter. He posted that on Twitter, and I want to show you a great example how fast Solana actually is. Here in this example, sending USDC on Solana. Check this out. So as you can see, it's basically instant, and exactly that use case, sending stable coins on a decentralized blockchain like Solana, is the game changer for most people, guys. You have to keep in mind. Let's take, for example, your Lebanese, okay? Your main currency, the Lebanese lira, inflated over 90% overnight. You lost over 90% of your value, purchasing power overnight, and you screwed. Let's take an example. You take Ethereum here, okay? You hear about Ethereum, and you want to use Ethereum as a currency, having to deal with Ethereum here and use the Tether on Ethereum, especially in the bull market. Those people cannot afford to use Ethereum. Ethereum is simply too expensive, and currently at this stage, Ethereum is too slow. So this is why it's super important to have a fast blockchain, to have a cheap blockchain, and to combine that with decentralization. Why? Because especially those people, trusting the government is an issue with those people, especially if you have that experience. Having the power to take true ownership over your currency is a game changer. Okay, so you have to keep in mind, guys, in crypto, the biggest utility still comes from stable coins, and seeing Solana handling transactions this fast and this cheap and still improving here before Financer is of course super bullish. Next thing up is the Solana Breakpoint event. It's going to happen next week here over in Amsterdam. I'm still debating, I might actually go and maybe actually do a vlog over there. Still debating though, I might be busy, so let's see. Last year the Breakpoint event was super bullish. We had the introduction of Financer and we had many bullish announcements. Unfortunately, after the Breakpoint event was the time where bearish news came out and we started this massive downtrend. Hopefully this time is different, but this time we even have the head of CBDCs and protocols from Visa, Mrs. Catherine Zhu. So it's going to be super interesting to see where this partnership from Visa and Solana is going to go. And I'm expecting super bullish news for Solana here on the Breakpoint event. Which doesn't mean I'm expecting Solana to explode in price. Yes, I'm expecting volatility here to the upside and to the downside, but I personally wouldn't trade this event. So it's more about the technical side of things, and of course to see which announcements here are on the horizon for Solana. Alright, coming to the chart of Solana. Last time I made this guide here, where to DCA if the downtrend is going to happen for Solana. I still think this downtrend is intact. I still think we will retest some of those lows, not all of them. So I'm currently, again, not buying. I already did my buying down here, and I'm currently just simply waiting. Yes, I know we're currently having a decent rally here from those lows to the upside, but I'm still expecting Solana here to be rejected, latest here at the bull market support band, which is around the level of $21 or $20. So in a similar scenario like here, we even bounced here from the same level, went up to the bull market support band, and then got a massive rejection here to the low. So I'm not currently buying, but as I always say, I have my bag is staked, so I'm making passive income with Solana. And if this downtrend actually gets invalidated, then it's fine for me. But I'm still expecting here lower numbers for Solana here in the next couple weeks and months. One thing that speaks against that is actually October, seasonality. October is usually a good month for crypto. Some people call it Uptober, so let's see how it goes from there. If October and November and even maybe December are bullish for crypto, I'm expecting Q1 of 2024 to be bearish here before the halving. So let's take things one day at a time. We have our bags, hopefully. If not, we have plenty of time to buy Solana up here if this downtrend gets invalidated. Best case scenario for us will be that, of course, we retest those lows. And if history is any indication, and if the recession is still on the horizon, that scenario still will play out. So you need a lot of patience. You will be tested here, especially with FOMO. I'm slowly starting to feel the FOMO myself, but at the end of the day, guys, we don't want to get wrecked. We have our strategy in place, and of course I'm still following that strategy if that invalidation does not come to play. Okay, so super important. At the end of the day, guys, the most important thing is be bullish on yourself. As always, do your own research. The most important thing is don't get